till 11 with the boy of my dreams. 'Cause it seems that I need 7 minutes in heaven. Mama, Papa, please give me. Mama, Papa, don't be mean or I'll scream. Please don't be a party pooper, pooper. Please don't be a snooper, snooper. Can't we have a little fun tonight? Ooh, ooh. Are the evenings really missing? Please some hugging and some kissing. So won't you give us alright to lower the light? 'Cause joke at a time like this. I know why, 'cause this is what you wanted all along now, isn't it? I think that all you ever really ever wanted was a reason to complain. That never stopped you before, so don't let it get in your way. Those are her words, not mine. As far as I'm concerned, we could have had a good time. So if you walk out that door in disgust, I guess there's nothing more to discuss. Birds don't sing, they just fall from the sky. Girls don't call and they never tell you why. That's just how they say goodbye.
Well, Mr. Pirate, if it's not asking too much, would you mind telling me where you're taking us?
Where were you bound?
New Orleans.
That is where you will be taken. Who are you? What's your name?
Constance Winthrop.
Constance Winthrop. Is your father General Winthrop?
Yes.
Then what are you doing on a Spanish ship?
I was visiting friends in Spain. If it's any of your business.
You should be more careful with your tongue in the presence of pirates, Miss Winthrop.
I'm not as friendly to you.
You better be. I'm just as like as not to make you walk the plank higher to the yardam or give you the spanking of your life.
You do that to a woman?
Yes, I thought she was trying to be on equal footing in a man's world.
You have a little to learn about women, Pirate.
I'm not interested in being taught, Miss Winthrop.
You're impossible. You're a conceited, egotistical, arrogant, self-centered...
Handsome, magnificent, exciting, fabulous pirate. Now you better go back to your cabin before I make you walk the plank higher to the yardarm or... What was that other thing I mentioned, Miss Winthrop? Oh, I
All sounds a little sick to me.
don't listen to my music. Don't lie in my bed. Don't listen to the references to things you might have actually said. 'Cause those are my words, not yours. As far as I'm concerned, it could have been a lot worse. I wasn't trying to avoid the confrontation. She isn't crying, she's just making conversation. Birds don't sing, they just fall from the sky. Girls don't call
bedroom.